so obsessed with this view right now. So we were camping here since last night. A lot of tents around here, a lot of people, such cool vibe. Ở yên đâu nè, sọt sọt. Alright, we're getting off the boat, meeting up with a very good friend of mine, Asim. He lives here in Koh Yao Yai. Look where we are. That's brother right there. How's it going, bro?
Good.
Asim giving us a ride around the island.
Yeah,
thanks for that, bro.
I'm gonna show you the local way.
Alright, let's do it. Alright, so we just stopped by this random place. A lot of trees lined up, so we're gonna get a scene of us running, either of us in one shot, running through the trees. So yeah, let's do it. Let's give it a go. So after a very long day of exploration, we finally arrived here in Suvarnabhumi Airport, Bangkok. The trip finally came to an end. We are safe and sound. We're finally back home. I hope you guys liked the video. If you do, make sure to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to my channel.
Subscribe.
See you guys on the next video. Until then, peace out.